Let me share a few stories from our Paralympic contingent. Our debutant tandem cyclist, Steve, and his competition partner, Ki Ming, they clocked 2 personal bests in the men's B 1,000 meters time trial and the 400 meters individual pursuit. But what's even more amazing is that both had suffered a crash just days before their event. Their front tire had burst and they collapsed on the road at great speed. Bruised, battered, but not beaten. Thereafter turned in superb timings and achieved those 2 personal bests. Our contingent flag bearer, Deroy Nodin, he left his mark on the field, quite literally. He threw 9.85 meters and then 9.92 meters in the men's F40 short put final. He shattered the national record on both occasions. It's tough enough to break one national record. He did it twice, the same event, and he broke his own national record. Our equestrian team, Max, Gemma, and Laurentia, put in some stirring performances. It really warmed me to see them compete with a smile writ large across their face. Laurentia and her horse, Benestro, came in 5th in the individual freestyle test finals. Despite Laurentia being stuck in Britain in the lead-up to the Olympics for a year due to travel restrictions, separated from her coach and her horse after what was really meant to be just a 2-week break. Our swimmers, Wei Sung, he came oh so close, 0.16 seconds away from a podium finish. He also broke 2 national records, both his own. Sophie Soon held off her competitors and finished 4th in the women's SB12 100 meters backstroke. A very impressive debut all round for both of them, and I'm sure at this rate we will see them on the podium in no time. It is hard to find words to describe Ping Siu, our most decorated Paralympian. At the age of 29, Ping Siu blazed her own path, both in and out of the pool. At the 2008 Beijing Paralympics, Ping Siu brought home her and Singapore's first ever Paralympic gold and silver medals. Ping Siu went on to clinch 2 more gold medals and also set 2 world records at the 2016 Rio Paralympics. These records continue to be unmatched, unbroken today. This year, she dominated the pool again, defending her title in the women's S2 50 meters and 100 meters backstroke events with some rather devastating performances. She won the 100 meters with a margin of more than 9 seconds. That's a total of 6 medals, of which 5 are gold medals, across 13 years, over 4 Paralympic Games. Many Singaporeans will remember vividly the 2 gold medal ceremonies in Tokyo. I did. The moment our national anthem reverberated through the Tokyo Aquatic Center and broadcast around the world. I'm sure we all celebrated her victory, took pride in her triumph, savored the moment as our flag rose high and rose first. How many of us had wet eyes as we watched Ping Siu herself fight back her own tears of pride and elation as her achievements, she knew, brought the nation together. I also felt such an immense sense of pride, and even now as I remember and relate the event, I feel goosebumps just thinking about it. I'm very happy to announce that we intend to create a new President's Award for Inspiring Achievement and to make the inaugural presentation of this award to Ping Siu. President Halimah Yacob has agreed to this proposal. This award will recognize Singaporeans who have overcome personal adversity and led inspiring lives. Through their outstanding and wide-ranging achievements and contributions to society, they are role models who instill a sense of national pride in fellow Singaporeans. This prestigious award will be conferred by the President to deserving recipients who will meet its highest qualifying criteria. It will be presented to Singaporeans with fitting achievements and may not be given out every year. Ping Siu has demonstrated these exceptional qualities. She has stared adversity in its face, time and time again, overcame it. She is truly an inspiration to Singaporeans, and it is only appropriate that she will now become the inaugural recipient of this award. So on behalf of the House, let me offer my warmest and deepest congratulations to Ping Siu, as well as to all our Olympians and Paralympians.